This is Reg and Kat here in Osaka. This is our first full day and we begin our day with an outfit check.
T-shirt, maxi skirt, and sneakers. And the big bag, of course.
And for me, I am wearing a t-shirt dress, leggings, sneakers, and then bag, round bag. That's it. That is good. So this is the streets of around Namba. We are staying at Namba and hindi siya masyado kagamo kung adlaw, pero ang nightlife dere kung gabi perte. So tawhay ang Namba kung sa aga. We are staying at an Airbnb and wala silang binibigay na breakfast. So, every day for the next 3 days, we will be getting our breakfast from somewhere nearby. We are here at the Kuromon market. We are going to have breakfast here. Actually, brunch na kasi mga past 10 na tayo lumabas ng hotel. But yeah, this is already brunch. So these are taiyakis. These are the same nung binili namin last night. And this is how they are made pala. So they put fillings. Ito I think is beans, mashed beans ang filling niya. Last night mine was custard, yung kay Kat is red bean. So that's how they do it. So ikot lang tayo dito sa Kuromon market. Actually ang daming nagpo-food trip dito kasi ang daming fresh produce. Ang dami ring souvenir items, ang daming chocolates, I think. Ang dami na kumakain dito because yeah, ang dami talagang makikita dito sa Kuromon market. What's that, Kat? Ano damo? Sila kaya pangumpra na sila chocolates.
Bakalit sa umulan.
Bakalit na. Is that ice cream? These ones naman are chips, parang cassava chips ata, and then we have here king crab claws. Ooh, ang sarap din ito, sobrang mochi ata to with strawberries. Oh, sasarap ng strawberries. And raw meat. Ito, seafoods. Yan. They're serving this for lunch na. Pwede kang magpaluto. Sobrang dami fresh produce. Ayan, ang lalaki. Sobrang laki. Mostly, ang luto dito is grill. So, yan, turo-turo ka lang. Nalalaki yung oysters, monster oysters talaga yan. Per oyster, monster shrimp. Medyo pricey siya. Yung king crab legs is about 8,000 yen. Pricey siya for my budget. Dito ang dami din pumipila kasi the shop was prepared the sashimi in front of you, kaya patok. King crab. serving also ice cream here. Grabe, halo-halo talaga dito sa Kuromon. Ito naman parang iba't ibang klaseng meat. Wagyu meat, Kobe beef. I-grill nila in front of you. So, yeah, ang dami din pila.
You better wear it.
Kobe beef.
I don't think.
Nothing like a smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby in your absence life is boring.
Ito naman, fresh fruits. Yung ready to eat na.
It's easier to
Ang wagyu is 1,000.
Kobe ang
3,000. Gusto ko dito kita ka? Wala na nabigay.
dito walang pila sa Wagyu beef. Yung tigo 1,000 yen lang. Para natikman lang namin. So yan, nag-grill nila in front of us.
Barbecue 要请你要现烤现吃啊，马上帮忙直接把烤 barbecue 啊，是吧？
So naglabas na si Kuya ng torch para mabilis maluto yung aming order. So, yan. Yung-torch niya na.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato. 2,000. What's that?
This is Wagyu beef. Grilled Wagyu beef. Very, very soft. It is only with salt and then grilled. Really soft. Very nice. Why
So, I'm in this ramen shop that serves curry. I'm having lunch now. Yan, I ordered curry ramen. Lunch tayo.
Maybe it wasn't because I
We are now entering the grounds of Osaka Castle. This is a famous site here in Osaka. Diba sa mga sinauna ka, ang ilang bridge. Dugi na ginamua mo pa na para wala agad ay makasaka. Kata mo na. Group rate pag 20. Set discount. Pwede takat pa sulod? Ano ang dire? Dire ako. Kadamo isang pila, why? Kadamo isang pila, kat na So we are now here at Dotonburi. Bali, pasyal lang tayo dito, take pictures, videos, and then later in the evening, dito kami magdi-dinner, food trip tayo. Ang daming street foods dito. Let's explore the place. Yun lang.
Getting married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 years is still possible. And buying your first house after 40 is still a boss-ass move. Don't let people rush you with their time. Just move as you. Just move as you. Turning gray after 26. Looks pretty good on you. Taking a year to go and travel the world. Could be when you're 40, still in love with your soul. At 8, drinking your coffee and going on dates. There's no rush, no timelines. Just move as you. Just move as you. Just move as you. Just move as you. When you're 16, full of dreams, they'll tell you how it should be. Just go on and make your own life. Don't let people rush you with their timelines. Just move as you. Just move as you. Just move as you. Just move as you. Just move as you.
Balls?
Orange cheese.
You do the work first.
Nothing like a smile in the morning. Following the runnings on your feet. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love.
Soft lang. Daw lagi bala bagras. Mana? Daw smooth lang.
Hi, Doton. Okay, sa speaker. Okay. Masama sa iba go, sabay kami. Sa kulit mo na.
Music.
Masama.